Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use this fill-in-the-blank slide position chart for the trombone. This is Unit A, and if you have this as a digital assignment, you're going to be typing in your answers exactly how I'm showing you. If you have it as a pencil and paper assignment, then you are going to simply write your answers. So you have two lines, but here it shows two text boxes. In the first line, or in the first box, you're going to put the letter name of your note. So our first note is a B flat. It's on the second line in the bass clef. So I'm going to put a capital B, and we write it the way we say it, B flat, even though the flat sign comes before the note when they write the music. For the flat sign, I'm going to type a lowercase b, but if you're writing it, you would make your flat sign with a line and then half of a heart. So it would look like a lowercase b with kind of a slant to it. Now your B flat is played in first position, so all the way in. And because it's first position, I'm going to put a 1 on the second line or in the second text box. We're going to go up our scale. We're not going to skip any notes. So for number 2, the letter name of the note is C. And C is all the way out, just about arm's length, depending on how long your arms are, in 6th position. So I'm going to type a 6 on that second line or in the second box. For number 3, the note on the third line is a D, and D is in 4th position. So I'm going to pull my slide out, and the top of the slide is about even with the bell. That is 4th position. So I'm going to put a 4. Next, I know my note is a flat note, and after D comes E, and that's on the 3rd space, and we write it the way we say it, E flat. Same as the B flat, same flat sign. E flat is in 3rd position, so the part of the trombone slide that you hold, that part's going to be about even with the bell, and that is 3rd position. So I'm going to put a 3 here. And then finally, number 5, my note letter name is F. That's on the 4th line, and F, just like B flat, is in 1st position. So now you're going to use this information from the first line to fill in the rest of the fingering chart, or slide position chart in your case. So it's all the same information, just in a different order. So you have to make sure what you are seeing matches what's up here. I hope this is helpful, and we'll see you next time.